Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I will show you how to write a Python program to calculate how much money we need to pay after discount. These are the set of the instructions we need to follow while writing the code. The instructions are: if the bill amount is less than 1000, then no discount. If the bill amount is greater than or equal to 1000 and less than 2500, then the discount is 5%. If the bill amount is 2500 to 4999 rupees, then the discount is 10%. If the bill amount is 5000 to 9999 rupees, then the discount is 15%. If the bill amount is greater than 10,000, then the discount is 20%. These instructions we need to follow while writing the code. So let's get started. After writing the code, I will explain the code. First, we will write the code. Yeah, we are done. I will explain you why I wrote two print statements while showing the output. This is the code. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. Then we need to give file name. File name sale.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. File name dot with the extension py. Click on Save. Yeah, file is saved. Then we need to execute the program in command prompt. So let's open command prompts by typing cmd. Now we need to create a path. cd desktop, enter dictionary. Dictionary is open. Then file name dot extension file name dot py, enter. Now we need to enter the bill amount, sale amount. For suppose your bill is 5,678 rupees. Click on enter. See, output is, I will explain you. First, it is executing this print statement. Discount equal to 15% and payable amount is 4,826 rupees. And the discount is 15% and the payable amount is. Do you understand why I wrote two print statements? In the first print statement, you can see the output like discount equal to 15%. In the second print statement, I wrote discount is 15%. In the first output equal to, in the second output is. This is the difference. Then I will explain the code line by line. Sale. Enter sale amount. We need to enter the bill amount manually. After that, it will check. If sale less than 1000, then the discount is D equal to 0. D means here discount. Or else, it will check sale greater than or equal to 1000 and sale less than 2500. Here we use AND operator. AND operator is, if both the statements are true, then only it will enter the loop. Otherwise, it will not enter. That's why we used AND. Then the discount is 5. Or else, if the sale is greater than or equal to 2000 and sale less than 5000. If the statement is true, then it will enter. Then the discount is 10%. Or else, sale greater than or equal to 5000 and sale less than 10,000. If the statement is true, then it will enter and the discount is 15. Or else, then the last segment we left is greater than or equal to 10,000. So the discount is 20%. So else discount equal to 20%. In this way, we are following the instructions given by the programmer. Then, after following all these instructions, then we are calculating the discount. This is the formula. Where you can find this formula? Let's open Google. Here you can see discount calculator. How to calculate percentage discount formula. This is the formula. Discounted price equal to original price minus original price multiply discount by 100. We have implemented this formula. If you didn't know any formulas, just Google it. We have applied that formula here and we printed the output. In this way, we need to do coding. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to explain once again. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.